Good morning, students. Welcome back to English online teaching class. Today I will proceed with my video lecture with the chapter number 5, The 100 Dresses 1. In the previous video, I completed the chapter details. In this video, I'll start with the character sketch and then I'll proceed further with the important questions that may come in your board exams from this chapter. So let's begin. The 100 Dresses 1, written by Eleanor Easts. Let's see the character sketch today, children, of Wanda first. The question may come, pen the character sketch of Wanda Petronsky. Wanda is a Polish girl who has shifted in America from Poland with her parents. She is very poor and lives up on Bojan's Heights. She is very shy and quiet. She does not talk to anyone. She has no friends and sits in the last row of the class with some naughty boys so that nobody notices her. She wears the same faded blue dress every day, which is not ironed but clean. Everybody teases her in the class. In anger, she claims of having 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes at home. She is very determined and shows her determination in the drawing competition by displaying the 100 sketches of dresses she claims to own. Each of them was so beautiful that she wins the competition and surpasses Peggy. Everybody in the class claps for her in joy. They find all her dresses she used to describe are there in her drawings. Even Peggy, who teases her, wishes to draw the same like Wanda. So this was the character sketch of Wanda, children. Remember, I have discussed this answer of the character sketch in present tense because character sketch may be written in the present tense, but remember, if you are writing it in the present tense, your complete answer should go in the present tense, children. But if you are linking it with the reference from the story, or if you are starting your answers with the answer with the past tense, write the full answer in past tense. Next is Maddie. Here I have written the answer in the past tense, children, so that you can understand it well. I have first discussed in present, now in past. Maddie. Maddie was the classmate of Peggy and Wanda. She was Peggy's inseparable friend. Both were always seen together. She used to wear hand-me-down clothes, mostly of Peggy with little innovation. She did not like Peggy's making fun of Wanda. She felt uncomfortable, perhaps it reminded her of her own poverty. I repeat, she felt uncomfortable, perhaps it reminded her of her own poverty. She was not courageous. Once she wrote a note to Peggy asking her to stop teasing Wanda, but tore it. She was afraid that Peggy and other girls would make her the next target. She had a very high opinion about Peggy. She thought that Peggy could never do anything wrong and that she would win the art contest. Maddie was sensitive and emotional. Many nights before sleeping, she would give imaginary speeches defending Wanda when others teased her. Even she was determined not to tease anybody else and make them unhappy. She didn't mind losing Peggy's friendship in doing so. So this was the character sketch of Maddie, children. Now, I will start with some of the important questions that may come for your board exams from this chapter. Short answer type. Let's have an oral discussion. How did the children respond to Wanda's paintings? The answer is, children suddenly clapped. Even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor, but they put their fingers in their mouths and whistled. Peggy and Maddie also appreciated her drawings. What was unusual about the dress of Wanda? Wanda always wore a faded blue dress that didn't fit her well. It was near, but it was wrinkled all over and required a good ironing. She always wore the same dress. It didn't look right. What shows that Peggy was not really cruel? Peggy was not really cruel. She protected small children from bullies. Not only this, she cried for hours if she saw an animal being mistreated. But in Vanda's bullying, she never felt that. How did Vanda win the drawing competition? Did anyone expect her victory? Vanda won the drawing competition as she had drawn 100 dresses, all different, colorful, and exquisite. All of them deserved a prize, though nobody expected her victory because, in routine, she used to wear the same wrinkled blue faded dress. Children, what kind of girl was Peggy? Peggy was the most popular and pretty looking girl in the class. She was a hypocrite as she could be kind at one time and make fun of someone at another time. She made fun of Vanda, but at the same time, she was a good artist. She protected children from bullies, cried when animals were ill treated. But in case of Vanda, she never thought so. Explain two dresses of Vanda in brief. When the result of drawing competition was declared, the class teacher Miss Masson announced the winners and Vanda was the winner among the girls. Miss Masson showed her drawings to all the students. Each dress of Vanda was different from other as one of the dresses was pale blue with colored trimmings and another was brilliant jungle green with red sash. Why did Maddie feel guilty of herself? Because she always supported Peggy for fun. She never stopped Peggy for making fun of Vanda. Later, she was remorseful to see the beautiful dresses gifted by Vanda. So, my dear students, these are some of the important short questions that I have discussed with you orally. Now, the long questions. The other short questions I have given in the PDF file, the important questions. Long answer type that carries for 8 marks. It disturbs you that Peggy and Maddie make fun of Vanda. You don't like it. You decide to speak about this as weak, ugly, or poor. Write a speech to express your thoughts. Children, this question may come in your exam, and if it comes, you have to write your own creative answer, children. But for your help, I have given you the introductory lines. You can start with, Dear friends, today I would like to express my thoughts about the issue of making fun of the students who are weak or ugly. And further, you can continue your own thoughts in regard and in reference with the story The 100 Dresses Won. What do you feel about? Next question. How did Vanda win the hearts of her classmates at the end of the story? Here is the answer. Vanda was a poor girl. She had an unfamiliar name and different looks. Other students made fun of her name and called her Polak. Peggy and other girls teased her about 100 dresses which she claimed she had but wore the same faded blue dress. Fed up with the teasing, she left the school and went to a big city. Before leaving, she had taken part in the art competition and submitted 100 drawings of different designs. They were so beautiful that all her classmates were amazed. They could never guess that she could be so talented. Moreover, she had proved herself right that she possessed 100 dresses. Her classmates not only realized their mistakes, but were also impressed by her creative talent. Vanda finally won their hearts when she gifted all her drawings to her class, especially the green dress with red trimming to Peggy and the blue one to Maddie. She left tears in her classmates' eyes. Everybody loved her and missed her. Peggy and Maddie repented for teasing and bullying her. Next question may come on the basis of the character sketch. These questions, character sketch questions, I have already discussed in the form of the character sketch of Vanda and Maddie. Next question. What was the effect of the letter of Vanda's father on Miss Masson? How did Maddie react to it? In his letter, Vanda's father had informed Miss Masson that Vanda would not come to the school anymore. They were moving to a big city. In that city, nobody would consider her name funny and laugh at her. There was a deep silence in the class when Miss Masson read the letter. Whatever happened was due to thoughtlessness. It was also unfortunate and sad. She didn't like that other students had hurt the feelings of Vanda just because she had a name which happened to be a long, unfamiliar one. She wanted everyone to think about it. On the other hand, Maddie had a sick feeling. She wanted to regret on her behavior. She thought that she never wanted to hurt Vanda in this way. It was true that she had never made fun of Vanda herself, but at the same time, she had not objected Peggy's asking Vanda about her dresses. So, my dear students, here I end today's lesson. Complete the 100 dresses 1. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through Campus Care. Hope you got the content. Thank you, students.